Hello guys, what's up? I'm again back with another new video, and this video been requested by one of my student, and this a few sums that have been doubt, so I'm clearing the doubt, and that's what I thought to make a video. So just stick to the video to learn something new. By the way, this video is especially for class 10 students because the sums that have been taken from some specimen copies of ICSE books. So let's get started. So there are 4,250 employees in our office. So we have to find out the probability that what would be the probability of the birthdays around one day. So first of all, let me tell you the formula of probability. So as we all know, the formula of probability is that the number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. So here the number of favorable outcome is only one because there are 7 days in a week and Monday is one of them. So Monday is the favorite case, so Monday is only one in a whole week, and all possible outcomes. So in a week, if I take all the possible other days, so it would be altogether 7 days. So verbally only we can solve the sum that's coming 1 by 7. So if we solve it now on paper, so it should look like, let A denotes the probability of probability that birthdays are on Monday. Okay, so that in that case, then A, the set will only consist of Monday, right? So we can easily find out that n of A will be equals to 1 because n denotes here the number of elements or the size, what we usually known as like cardinal number of a set. So now in the set is what we call it sample space. Here would be all the other days, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So altogether here are 7 days that we all know. So n of A is equals to 7. So therefore in the next step we'll write that P of A, that is probability of A, is equals to n of A whole divided by n of A's. Now if we put the values, then n of A is equals to 1 and n of A is 7. So it's 1 by 7 and that is the answer. So I hope all of you have understood. If there is any query, please comment down below so that I can get back to another new video explaining all those things. Come to the next sum. So as you can see in the next sum, there is some data is given and we have to prove, and the sum is from trigonometry. Within the sum, two things are given. One is x equals to a sin theta plus b cos theta. Another one is y equals to a cos theta minus b sin theta, and we have to prove that x square plus y square equals to a square plus b square. So let us first check out all the important data that it's given on the question paper that is been provided in the sum. So it's given x equals to a sin theta plus b cos theta. Another one is y equals to a cos theta minus b sin theta, right? So we will start with LHS as usual, what we usually do. So in LHS we can start with x square plus y square, what is given on the question. So in the place of x, we will now put the value of x, that is a sin theta plus b cos theta its whole square, plus y's place I'll put the value, so a cos theta minus b sin theta its whole square, right? So now if we just break into the formula, that is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula we use. So we'll get a square plus 2 into a into b, means it's ab sin theta cos theta altogether we'll get, right? And then b square, b means here b is actually b cos theta, so it would be b square cos square theta, right? And then plus a cos theta, so it's a square cos square theta plus, sorry, it's minus 2ab, so it should be minus, so it's minus 2 into ab sin theta cos theta, and at the end it would be b square sin square theta, right? So we can see easily that 2ab sin theta cos theta should be cancelled out, and we can take the a square common from this part and this part. So if we take a square common, inside we'll get that sin square theta plus cos square theta, isn't it? Just check it out. And if we take the other thing like b square, if we want to take common, so from this term and from this term we can take b square, so we'll take b square common, so it will be left we'll be left with cos square theta plus sin square theta, right? Now all of you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 when theta is a acute angle. So it's like a square into 1 plus b square into 1. So we have got the proof, that is RHS, right hand side. So easy, right? So this was the sum. I think it's very easy and all of you have understood. So here in this sum, students, as we can see, there are two circles and they have cut each other at the point C and D, then intersected each other, and there's a common tangent that we can see AB, and here at the point C and D, both the point having joined to A and B, so that we have got two angles, one is ACB and one is ADB. So they have told us to find out the value of the measurement of angle ACB and angle ADB. So here I want to apply a theorem. Just before that, we need to draw something, and it will be included in the construction part. So let us construct a line that will join C and D. So this is the construction from our end we'll do. So next one we'll start with the sum. Let us find out the theorem where we will use it, and we'll find out some useful results. So first of all, I want to show you something in the diagram. So all of you please focus on the board properly. So here, first of all of you try to figure out one thing. There was a theorem that on the circle chapter, that is angles on alternate segments. Actually, the angles on alternate segments are equal to each other. So what are they? So here, if I consider AB as a tangent, and here if I consider this one AC as a chord, so just find out properly. Here I'm trying to find out, I'm just talking about this one, angle CAB. Okay, so this angle should be equal with this one, because they are the angles on alternate segments. And in the same manner, if you take this angle, that is CBA, this angle should be equal with this one, that is angle CDB. So we will note it down first, that before proceeding to this proof, okay, we will note this one down. Like we can do it like this way. We can write it down. That is angle A, that is angle CAB. It should be equal to ADC, and in the same way CBA, it should be equal to BDC or CDB. Both are for the same reason, that is angles on alternate segments. So these are the theorem. So now if we just go back to the proof part once again, and if we use these things that we have got, like if we put it like number 1 equation and it is number 2 equation, so we can use it now. Like ACB will be remained unchanged, but in the place of ADB, look at the figure very carefully. ADB is actually sum of two angles. One is ABC, another one is CDB. Look at the diagram very carefully, it's on the screen, and you can understand it very easily. Now, using the equation number 1 and 2, in the place of ACB will be remained again unchanged, but in the place of ADC, we can easily see that from equation number 1, we can use it CAB. Okay, CAB we can write in the place, and in the place of CDB, we can write it CBA. Now, if I just mark this one, and all of you please just have a quick look on this one, what we have got now, that this one, if you check it out properly, these three angles, 1, 2 and 3, these three angles are the three interior angles of the triangle ACB. Look at the diagram very carefully, it's on the screen. So as we all know that the sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So here we can easily write down that this R equals to 180 degree. So I hope all of you have understood. If there is any query regarding this, we have our Facebook page, we have the Instagram page, and you can comment here also in our YouTube video, and comment down so that we can get back to you. So students, we have the sum here on the board, and as you can see here, they have given us some frequency table with some marks and the number of students, and here in the marks, it's been very important things written in the bracket, that is less than. So 10 means less than 10. So as you can see now in the board, that we have made a proper frequency table, that is less than 10 means 0 to 10, right? And then 10 to 20, if we see, it's given in the that less than 20, actually less than 20 is given 28. So basically the chart that you can see right now on board, that I'm just trying to make it in a different color, that is CF that I've written, that is cumulative frequency is given. So this, the data, it's given cumulative frequency, but when we write 10 to 20, basically the frequency, if you want to know, then we have to do it like this way. But here, as they have asked to find out the median, so basically we no need to deal with the frequency, we need the cumulative frequency only. But if you want to know how this cumulative frequency came and how the frequency should look like, we can just go like this way. That is first term which is in the cumulative frequency should be same as it is, and then we will subtract the previous term, like 28 minus 7 is like 21, and 54 minus 28 it should be 26. Then so 71 minus 54 it should be 17. 84 minus 71 it's actually 13. 105 minus 84 it's actually 21. 147 minus 105 it's 42, and then 180 minus 147 is 33, right? So in this way we can get the frequency basically, but we don't need the frequency. Now, as they have told to find out the median, so how to find out the median? Using Ogive. So first of all, how to draw the Ogive? As far as they have given the scale over there, so we have to draw it. So first of all, as I've seen one thing here in this scale, what they have given, that is 2 centimeter equals to 2 cm is equals to, it's given 10 units for both the axes it's given. But what I found while I was drawing, it was a long graph paper, but still it was very difficult to fit this scale for the y-axis means for the frequency part. So I have changed it like 1 centimeter equals to 10 units, and in that regards I have just drawn the output, and I'll be presenting it just right now. So what we can here we have to notice that the scale what is given, we have to strictly follow that. But here I think there is some kind of printing mistake what they have given. Otherwise, like if it is true, then it is not fitting in the graph paper that I'm having, or maybe they will be providing with a larger version of a graph paper, might be so. Anyway, we need to think about it. Whatever it's given on the question paper, we need to strictly follow that scale. So here I've changed because it was not fitting to my graph paper. So as you can see in the graph paper, in the y-axis we have taken the number of students, and in the x-axis we have taken marks. Now the ogive in the graph paper has to be drawn with this one like kind of coordinates. Like how we'll get the coordinates? So we can do it in this way. Like 10 will take, and in the first class I will take the keyword frequency. So 10,7, it's the coordinate, first coordinate. Then the next one will go and proceed in the same manner, that 20, 28, 30, 54, 40, 71, 50, 84, 60, 105, 70, 147, 80, 180. So in this manner, see, I have plotted all the points wherever they are, because you have learned this plotting in the graph paper in class 9 already. So I've already plotted them and I've joined them with a freehand diagram. So I've added them up, and see, then when we'll find out the median, we have to see the last frequency, cumulative frequency. See, the last cumulative frequency is 180. Just divided by 2, we are getting 90. So we have to find out this 90 in the y-axis, means in the frequency part, frequency axis, and frequency axis we always take in the y-axis. So see, I have taken it the point as a point A in the 90 mark in the y-axis, and then I have followed a horizontal line, and I've seen that this horizontal line, if I draw, it will meet the ogive at the point B. And then I have dropped down following the y-axis, parallel to the y-axis. I have just dropped down one line, and what I can see, if you just check it out, I'm showing you by zooming the graph paper. So you can see it's almost what I have got, it's coming 53. So 53 is our median. So I hope all of you have understood how to draw the ogive and how to find out the median using the ogive. So that's it from my end for this video. I hope all of you have enjoyed this video. Keep watching Let's Mathemagic and post your doubts to our pages. I hope I'll meet you in the next video very soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, and keep in touch with Mathemagic.